Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create different dashboards in Monday.com to help you organize yourself better. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Monday.com. You can see this is my current dashboard. What I'd like to do is create a new dashboard though. So on the left hand side over here, you will see a plus button. You can go and click on this and you can go down to dashboard. Here you'll be able to create a new dashboard. Now you're going to give it a name. So let's say new dashboard 2. You can either make it your main dashboard or you can make it private. This will be visible to anyone within your account. Here, of course, this is only visible to you and team members. And let's say create dashboard. Now you've got a blank space which you can now customize. Now the point of creating a custom dashboard allows you to really put in front of you what you need to see immediately. And then if you go down on the left hand side over here, you can just tap on any which dashboard that you'd like to see at any given time. So let's click on add your first widget. And here you can add anything that is within this list. If you don't see it here, you can actually just go and say see more, and there are a bunch more. So let's just say, for example, we want to add this, your progress at a glance in the shape of a battery. That sounds awesome. And then it says you have to connect your boards to get started. So go ahead and click on that and then connect a board. Now you can see what your progress status is in a battery view. Now any widget that you want to add, you can literally just click on add widget. Let's say you want to add a files gallery, and here this is our files gallery, and whatever is in our files gallery, this will be displayed right over here. You can have it listed or in a grid view, and then you can also make it full screen. You can change the settings, you can rename it. There's a bunch of things that you can do to really customize what it is that you are seeing here. You can also connect multiple boards. So if you want to see an overview of everything that's happening on different boards, you can do so there. You can also filter by different people, and then you can save that filter. There's also the settings option over here, which you can completely customize as well. So go ahead, create a dashboard and make it your own.